Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating. I'm just going to show you a very quick video here of this Mediterranean phyllo pastry. Actually not phyllo pastry but puff pastry pizza. So as you can see, it's already done, and what I've put on it is some cherry tomatoes, some red pesto base, and also some we've got some soft cheese here and some red onions, and this is going to be baked in the oven for roughly 20 minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. I'm going to show you an aerial view in a few minutes. Please stay tuned for that. Welcome back. I'm just going to show you an up-close view of it. As you can see, the puff pastry pizza, and this is going to take 20 minutes in the oven. I will show you the finished product when it's done. Stay tuned. And this is an aerial view of the tart. Left it in there for roughly 20 minutes, and there it is. Now with puff pastry, it's quite flaky. This is quite thin. It's cooked fairly okay. And yeah, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just going closer. Hope you all enjoyed this video of this tart. I will show you the ingredients that I used, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.